Hello students, how are you? This is Swapna, Mathematics faculty from EduHunt IIT and NEET Academy. Chalo. So let's begin the session of today's class with coordinate geometry worksheet number 2. In the last class we have discussed up to worksheet 2 up to 4 problems, right? And I asked you to solve the problem of 5th question. How many of you have solved it? And let's verify the question whether how many of you are solved or not. Let's check with it. Okay, so here we have a 5th question and I ask you to solve this question for homework, right? So what is the question? Name of the quadrilateral formed by the points 6, 8, 3, 7, minus 2, 2 and 1, minus 1. So this is the question, right? Okay, so 1, minus 1. So we can solve this particular question by using the concept of distance formula. Yes or no? So let's begin the problem. So any quadrilateral, let me take any four-sided figure, is nothing but quadrilateral, and they were asking you what type of quadrilateral it is. Based on the properties of quadrilaterals, we are going to decide the answer. Correct? So you know, you are aware of properties of these quadrilaterals, right? Parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, square. So all this, regarding all these things you have learned in your junior classes, right? So let's solve this question. So I will solve this question by taking the properties regarding sides of quadrilateral and diagonals of quadrilateral, right? So first I'll find length of each side. So how can I find length of each side? So what are the points they have given? Let me take A value is 6, 8 and B value is 3, 7 and it is minus 2, minus 2 and 1, minus 1. 1, minus 1. So we have 4 vertices A, B, C and D. Okay, A, B, C and D. So first let me calculate the length of AB. Length of AB. So what do you know about distance formula? Tell me, if you have 2 points, what is the distance formula? Root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is my distance formula. Am I correct? This is my distance formula. So if you have A and B are points, how you are going to find the distance? So you need to take A point is x1, y1, B point is x2, y2, correct? So how you are going to do this? See, x2 minus x1, 3 minus 6, which is minus 3. Minus 3, right? Minus 3 whole square plus 7 minus 8. And in the next steps you need to get habituated to calculate distance formula, right? 3 minus 6 is minus 3, 7 minus 8 is minus 1 whole square, minus 1 whole square. So what it will become? 3 square is 9 and 1 square is 1, which is root 10. So you got AB length is root 10, correct? Similarly also we will calculate the length of BC. So what is the length of BC? Tell me. Minus 2 minus 3, minus 2 minus 3, x2 minus x1, minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5 whole square, minus 5 whole square, minus 2 minus 7 is minus 9 whole square, correct? So this will become 25 plus 9 square is 81. So what is 25 plus 81? 6 and this is 106, right? So the length of this is becoming root 106. Yes or no? Next we will calculate the length of CD, right? So what is the value of length of CD? Calculate here. X2 minus x1. 1 minus of minus 2 is 1 plus 2 is 3 and this is 3 square plus minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2 is nothing but it's plus 1. Minus 1 plus 2 is plus 1. Plus 1 whole square is as usual 1. So which will become 9 plus 1 and the length of CD is also got root 10. Okay. Now we left over with this part. What is the length of AD? Let's check it. AD or DA. So what is this? X2 minus X1. So X2 minus X1. 6 minus 1 is 5 whole square, which is 25 plus. Next 8 minus of minus 1 is plus 9 whole square, which is 81. So just now I have done, you got root 106. Also we need to check with the diagonals. These two are also sides, right? These two are also sides. Diagonals, what is the length of diagonal? So let me check with AC. First diagonal is AC. So what is the length of diagonal AC? Now tell me. AC is nothing but x2 minus x1 minus 2 minus of minus 2 minus 6 is minus 8 whole square. A simple formula, just I am doing x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, okay, and minus 2 minus 8, which is minus 10 whole square, right? Minus 10 whole square. So what you got? 8 square is 64 and 10 square is 100. So in total you got the length of diagonal AC is root 164 units. Done. So we left over with BD, right? So what is the length of BD? See, BD 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 is minus 2 whole square, which is 4, plus minus 1 7, minus 1 minus 7, which is minus 8 whole square is 64. So this you got 4 plus 64 is root 68. Root 68. Now as per the properties, just observe this particular thing. So what you got? So you got two sides are equal, correct? Root 10 and root 10, root 106 and root 106, right? Opposite sides are equal, right? So, and at the same time, you are also having length of diagonals are different, right? If it is a rectangle, diagonal length also should be equal, right? Diagonal's length should be equal, but this is the property belonging to parallelogram, right? In parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel and equal, and also we have the length of diagonals will be different. You won't get equal length, right? So this is the property of parallelogram. I hope I am clear with this question. Have a glance of the problem so that we can move to the next one. Is it done? Chalo. So we will be getting back to next question. So what is my next question? See here, name of the quadrilateral. Again they were asking to find out the name of the quadrilateral formed by the points as usual, right? Similar kind of question. 3, 2, 11, 8, 8, 12 and 0, 6 and 0, 6. So they were asking you to solve similar type of question and they were asking the name of a quadrilateral, what type of quadrilateral it is. In order to solve these kind of questions, you should aware of the properties of quadrilaterals, right? So you need to understand the quadrilaterals, okay? Right. So as usual, let's draw the figure, okay? So what are the 4 points we have? A is 3, 2, B is 11, 8, correct? C is 8, 12, D is 0, 6. So we have 4 different points. So let's start the problem by calculating the length of all the sides and diagonals, okay? So what is the first one? AB. So what is AB? As usual, what is the distance between 2 points from root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square? Correct, a simple problem. So what you are going to do, root x2 minus x1, when you are calculating the distance from A and B, this will become x2 y2 and this will become x1 y1. Simple. A B ki calculate cheste A x1 y1 B x2 y2. B C calculate cheste B x1 y1 C x2 y2. ఏ రెండు పాయింట్స్ అయితే తీసుకుంటున్నారో అలా లేబుల్ చేసుకోవడమే. సింపుల్ లాజిక్, ఓకే? సో AB value, what is the value of AB from here? Right, x2 minus x1, which is 11 minus 3 is 8 whole square. 11 minus 3 is 8 whole square and 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2, right? This is 8, sorry, 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is 6 whole square, correct? 8 minus 2 is 6 whole square. So 8 square is 64 and 6 square is 36, which is root 100 I got, and root 100 is 10. Root 100 is 10, correct? So we'll be getting back to next one. So what is the next one? Tell me. Next we have to solve BD. Okay, as per this diagram, next one is BD, correct? So what is BD? Now tell me. 0 minus 11 whole square is obviously 121, right? Next, 6 minus 8. 6 minus 8 is minus 2. Minus 2 whole square is plus 4. So this you got root 125. Root 125, right? Next we will take this one. What is this? CD, correct? CD. DC or CD. AB is done, BD is done. Next is this part, CD. Right. So what is x2 minus x1? Do x2 minus x1. This is x1. This is x1 y1. This is x2 y2. Cheyandi. What it will become? x2 minus x1 is 8 minus 0 is 6. 8 square is 64. 12 minus 6 is 6 square, which is 36 again. So 64 plus 36 again I got root 100, which is 10. Done with this. So we left over with the last side. So we will take that, which is CA. So again x2 minus x1. 8 minus 3 is 5 square. 5 square is 25. Correct? Plus 12 minus 2 is how much? 12 minus 2 is 10. 10 square is how much? 100. So which is again you got root 125. So we are done with calculating the sides of quadrilateral. Now we left over with what? We left over with the diagonal sides. So let's also calculate the diagonal sides, and we will come so that we can come to the conclusion what type of quadrilateral it is. Okay, so we will calculate the first diagonal is AD, correct? So what is the first diagonal? AD. So let me calculate AD diagonal. What it will become? 0 minus 3 whole square, which is 9. Correct? 3 square is 9. Correct? So next one is 6 minus 2 is 4 square. 6 minus 2 is 4 square, which is 16. Right? So 9 plus 16 is root 25. Root 25 value is 5. Correct? So we are done with the first diagonal side, and next one we have BC. As per the diagonal, what is the next diagonal? We have BC. So what is the BC diagonal? Just calculate 8 minus 11. What is 8 minus 11? This is 8 minus 11. 3. 3 square is 9. Again 3 square is 9. Next 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8 is 4 actually. 4 square is how much? Again we left over with 16. So 9 plus 16 is how much? Which is again 25 is 5. Correct? Which is again 25, and root 25 is 5. So now we will observe all the length values so that we can come to the what type of quadrilateral it is. Okay. Just observe the sides. So we have 10, 10. Okay. 10, 10. Two sides are equal. Right. Root 125, root 25. Again we have two sides are equal. That means opposite sides are equal from the figure. Right? Yeah. So and as usual diagonals are also equal. In the last question we don't get diagonals are equal. Just we got opposite sides are equal and length of diagonals are different in that question. Correct? But in this, if you could have observed, you got even diagonals, length of diagonals are also getting equal in this question. So if all the sides, if the pair of opposite sides are equal in parallel, and at the same time if the length of diagonals are also equal, that means it is a type of quadrilateral which is a rectangle. Correct? Very good. Which is a rectangle. So this will be my option. Am I clear? Parallelogram lo diagonal length different untundi. Rectangle lo even you will get a diagonal length were equal. Am I clear? So if you are clear with this, we will be getting back to next question. Have a glance of it. Done? Chalo. So what is my next question? Name of the quadrilateral as usual formed by the points 0, -1, -2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 3. So let's begin the problem. I think for this question you can solve by the own along with me. I'll also start the problem and let's check how many of you have solved the questions and tell me the answers abruptly, fastly. Okay, chalo. So what is my figure as usual? See what is the figure, which is 0 comma minus 1. What is other point? Minus 2 comma 3. Next point 6 comma 7. Next point 8 comma 3. So A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Right? We are done with the figure. Right? So let's solve the problem. First, AB side length. रूट x2 माइनस x1 फटाफट आंसर करना है आप भी, ठीक है. x2 माइनस x1 माइनस 2 माइनस 0 इज माइनस 2 होल स्क्वायर विच इज 4 प्लस 3 माइनस ऑफ माइनस 1 3 माइनस ऑफ actually x2 minus x1, right? Don't get confused. 3 minus of minus 1 is 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4 square. 4 square is how much? Which is 16. So root 4 plus 16 is root 20. We are done with the first one. Next one is BC. What is the length of BC? What is the length of BC? Tell me. Length of BC. x2 minus x1 again. See. 6 minus of minus 2, which is 6 plus 2, 8. 8 square is how much? 64. 8 square is how much? 64. Next, this is what? This is 7, right? This is 7. Yeah. 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is how much? 4. 4 square is how much? 16. Right. 64 plus 16. You got, what is 64 plus 16? 80, correct? It's 80. So which is root 80. Okay. Next one. So let's check with the next one. What is the next one? It's CD, correct? It's CD. AB, BC, CD is done. So what is CD? Let's check with this. 8 minus 6, which is 2 square is 4. Right? And 3 minus 7. 3 minus 7 is how much? Minus 4. 3 minus 7 is how much? Minus 4. And minus 4 whole square is again plus 16. So root 4 plus 16 is again I got root 20. So we are done with even this. So we left over with this part. Correct? So which is DA. So what is DA? Tell me. 8 minus 0 whole square is as usual 64. And 3 minus of minus 1 is plus 1 whole square. 3 minus of minus 1 whole square is plus 1, which is how much? 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 square is 16, which is root 80 as usual again. Correct? So opposite sides are getting parallel and equal in this question too. So we are just left over with the diagonal lengths. So let's calculate diagonal lengths, whether to find out even if it is a rectangle or parallelogram. We are just left over with these two again, right? So obviously it will not become square because you didn't get all sides are equal. So this will not become a square. In rhombus also, you have if you want to become a rhombus, all sides should be equal even in rhombus. But in rhombus as well as in square, you won't get a different sides values, right? So from this case, I can eliminate rhombus and square options. So we are just left over our problem with parallelogram and rectangle, right? So if it is getting a equal length of diagonals, then it is a rectangle. If you are getting a different length of diagonals, then it is a parallelogram. A simple. You just need to remind is properties of quadrilaterals, right? And distance formula, right? So we just left over with AC. What is AC? Tell me. AC is nothing but x2 minus x1, 6 minus 0 whole square is 36 plus 7 minus of minus 1 is plus 8. 7 minus of minus 1, 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 square is 64. I got root 100. Root 100 is 10. Correct? So we left over with BD. So what is BD? Tell me. B and D. Minus 2. Sorry, 8 minus of minus 2. X2 minus x1. 8 plus 2 is 10 square, which is 100, plus 3 minus 3 is 0, right? 3 minus 3 is 0. So root 100 I got, and root 100 values again we got 10. So just observe all the lengths values and tell me what type of figure. Make it fast. Tell me. Yes, of course, it is a rectangle figure. I told you, no? we are getting opposite sides are equal in parallel, and at the same time the length of diagonals are becoming equal in this question. Chalo, so it is a rectangle, a simple problem, right? So next one. Yeah, what is my next question? Name of the quadrilateral formed by the points 3, 2, yeah, 0, 5, minus 3, 2, 0, minus 1. So let's draw the diagram. Any quadrilateral, any figure, okay, four-sided figure. So which is 3, 2, A, what is B? 0, 5, and C is minus 3, 2, and D is 0, minus 1. 0, minus 1. Okay, 0, minus 1. So let's start the problem without having any late. So let's begin. Yeah. So first we will calculate the AB length. What is AB length? X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Am I correct? See, 0 minus 3 whole square. 3 square. 3 square is how much? 9. Correct? Next, 5 minus 2 whole square. 5 minus 2 whole square is 3. 3 square is again how much? 9. So root 9 plus 9 is root 18. Observe this. Done. 0 minus 3, 9. 5 minus 2, 9. Correct. Next one. BC. What is the value of BC? Minus 3, 0 whole square. Which is minus 3 whole square is how much? 9 again. 9 again. Right. So 2 minus 5 whole square. 2 minus 5 whole square is how much? Tell me. Again it is 9. So 9 minus 3 square is 9, right? Which is root 18 again it is, right? So next one is CD. So what is CD? Minus 3 minus 0, which is minus 3 whole square. Minus 3 whole square is 9, excuse me, which is 9. And 2 minus of minus 1. 2 minus of minus 1, which is plus 3 whole square, again 9. So 9 plus 9 is root 18 again. Correct? Next one is DA. So what is DA? 0 minus 3 whole square. 0 minus 3 whole square, which is how much? 3 square is 9 plus minus 1 minus 2 whole square. Minus 1 minus 2 whole square, which is how much? Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. Minus 3 का square ये होता है कि 9. Correct? So again 9. So 9 plus 9 is how much? Root 18 again. So if you could have observed, all sides we are getting equal in this problem, right? All sides we are getting equal. Let's check with the diagonals too, okay? In rhombus also you'll get all sides are equal. But up to this you cannot conclude what type of quadrilateral it is, right? You also check with the diagonals, right? Yeah. So we will calculate the length of diagonal AC. So what is AC? Tell me. AC is minus 3 minus 3, which is minus 6 whole square. Minus 6 whole square is how much? See, AC, right? AC. Minus 3 is minus 6 whole square, which is 36. Yeah. And 2 minus 2 whole square is 0. Right? So root 36 is 6. Yes? Root 36 is equal to 6. And what is BD? What is BD? Tell me. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus of minus 1, which is plus 1. 5 plus 1 is 6 square. So which is root 36 and which is 6. So you are getting a diagonals are equal and all sides are also equal. So what is the first? All sides are equal. All sides are equal and diagonals also becoming equal. Diagonals also equal. Correct? Hence it is a what if it satisfies both the properties, hence it is a square. It is a square. So it will be option D. Just have a glance of the problem. Make it fast. Done, Nama? Yeah. So we'll get back to 9th question. Yeah. So what is the 9th question? See here. Name of the quadrilateral formed by the points 0, minus 1, 2, 1, 0, 3, minus 2 comma 1. Okay, minus 2 comma 1. So this is my particular question. As usual, we will solve the problem. In order to understand what type of quadrilateral it is, a distance concept. So let's solve the length or distances of each sides. Okay, A, B, C, D. Okay, A, B, C, D. Right. So what are the points? 0 comma minus 1. Right. 2 comma 1 and 0 comma 3 and minus 2 comma 1. Minus 2 comma 1. I have drawn the figure. Let's calculate the distances of it. So AB length is how much? AB length is root 2 minus 0 whole square is 4 plus 1 minus of minus 1, which is 1 minus minus 1, which is 1 plus 1. 2 square, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 square is 4. Right? So root 4 plus 4 is root 8. Root 8. Okay. Next one, we will calculate BC length. So 0 minus 2 whole square is 4 again. Right? 0 minus 2 whole square is 4 again, plus 3 minus 1 whole square is 2. 2 square is 4. Again root 4 plus 4 is root 8. Root 8. Okay. Next one, CD. So what is the value of CD? 0 minus of minus 2 whole square. So we'll calculate CD. 0 minus of minus 2 whole square is how much? Which is 4. 3 minus 1 2 whole square is, which is again 4. Root 4 plus 4 is root 8. Okay, it's root 8. Next, dA. So what is the value of dA? See, minus 2 minus 0 whole square is 4 plus 1 is 2 square, which is 4. Again you got root 8. Root 8. Okay, so if you could have observed, all the side values are being equal from the figure, right? So we left over with only diagonals, which is AC. So what is the value of AC? Tell me. AC value is 0 minus 0 whole square is same, 0 plus 3 minus of minus 1. 3 minus of minus 1. Y2 minus Y1, right? 3 minus of minus 1 is how much? Tell me. It's 4. 4 square, right? 4 square is 16. Root 16 is 4. Root 16 is 4. Next, BD value. So what is the value of BD? Tell me. BD minus 2 plus 2. BD, right? X2 minus X1. Minus 2 is minus 4 whole square, which is 16, plus 1 minus 1 is 0 square, which is 0. Root 16 is again, I got here 4. So we got diagonals lengths are equal, and at the same time sides of each values are also equal, and again it is a square. It is like a previous question, right? Just look into problem and tell me how many of you are clear with it. Yeah, so I hope everybody is clear from question 5 to 9. So I ask you to create some more questions by your own based on the distance formula, so that you can have a more number of practice questions. In the worksheet we also have practice questions. Just go, I kindly request you to go through with it once, and we will solve in the next upcoming sessions, right? So I hope everybody is clear with the session. Thank you all. Bye bye. Have a great day.